Okay guys, this is lesson 1.5. We're going to use a basic fact and a pattern to multiply mentally by multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. So this lesson is things that we've already gone over, but it's just taking another step further. So we know, just a reminder, 10 to the power of 0 is 1. 10 to the power of 1 is 10. We know that 10 to the power of 2 is 10 times 10, which equals 100. And we know that 10 to the power of 3 is 10 times 10 times 10, which equals 1000. So we're going to use that knowledge plus our just basic multiplication knowledge to help us solve some problems. So we know that 6 times 8 is 48. That's just one of our basic multiplication facts. So we're going to use that knowledge and then our exponent knowledge to find some other answers. So when we times by 10 or 100 or 1000, we just add zeros. So that's the same thing with the exponents that we're using this year. So with this problem, we'll walk through this problem. This problem starts with 6 times 8 is 48. So here we go, 6 times 8, we're just going to put 48. And then we're going to times it by the exponent of 10 to the power of 2. Well, 10 to the power of 2 is 100. So how many zeros do we need to add if we times it by 100? We need to add 2, because there's 2 zeros on 100. So 1, 2. The next one, it's the same thing, 6 times 8, so we start with 48. And now we have 10 to the power of 3. Well, 10 to the power of 3 is 1000, so we add 3 zeros. And there's our comma. Next one is 6 times 8, it's just 48. And we're timesing it by 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 4 is 10,000. So we're going to add 4 zeros. Or you can just know that this is at how many zeros there are. This is at 4. So we're going to add 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's really all we're doing. We're just multiplying by 10, 100, 1000. And we're just using exponents to do it. So try it out. Here are some extra credit problems. You have number 1 right here and number 2. Just fill in all of the blanks.